Today's video is going to feature some stunning, short, stylish hairstyle ideas. The first one features this transformation of this pixie haircut. So she starts off with a bob and the stylist is cutting it down to a pixie. Loving the texture and length of this pixie cut. She does have kind of thick, wavy, curly hair. So the stylist is making sure to be very precise with his hair cutting. And there are the final results, an absolutely gorgeous pixie haircut. So with this particular pixie, it is definitely a classic shape and it does have full bangs in the front, which of course create volume throughout. Loving the thickness of her hair overall, very pretty. So moving into our second transformation, so he is going to be using a razor with this one in order to cut the shape, and he starts off in the back of the hair. So he then further works his way up to the front and he is cutting some bangs with this one. And she has kind of that mushroom shaped bob. So moving on, we see a woman. She starts off with very dry hair and two-toned hair coloring. It looks as if the color has damaged her hair, dried it out, and she is in major need of a makeover. So I'm actually pretty surprised that this transformation starts off with hair coloring and not a haircut. But here he is coloring her hair. So there we have it. She has a full new hair color. A little bit of highlights with the blonde. It's kind of a sandy blonde color. Her hair does look a tad bit healthier, but her ends do appear to be dry to me. But overall, her hair looks much better than it did at the start of the video. So moving into our next hair transformation, she starts off with kind of mid-back length hair and the stylist is cutting it into a bob that ends around shoulder length. So she does already have color in her hair. It seems to be a bit of a reddish brown hue. Okay, so moving into this next transformation, she starts off with very short hair. And it looks like he added some weave and she now has a bob. Very pretty hair color, looks amazing against her complexion. So moving on to the next hair transformation, this one is also using a razor to cut the hair. And he is taking his time with this. This is a very precise cut. The line is very sharp in the back. Looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut with this one. And there we have it, a gorgeous bob haircut. So next up we see another bob haircut transformation. Absolutely gorgeous, classic bob with the middle part. So moving into this next transformation, this one starts off with the longer hair, and it looks like she is going to be getting a big chop with this one. It looks as if this hair is curlier at the root and straighter at the ends, which means that she will be getting that big chop. So there the stylist is cutting the hair. So she will probably end up having a very short curly pixie or bob haircut with this one. He actually ended up going with a curly pixie for this. Very pretty. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Be sure to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.